Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you basically want your profiles to be more better. You want basically faster checkout. You want to good shipping times. All of us want this solution. It's basically setting up a delivery profile. Since delivery profiles on Etsy let you define how long orders takes to process and even arrive. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through it step by step, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So to access all of this, we wanna go and check the shop manager. Okay, so how we will be able to do so is just we're gonna go look for Etsy if we are on desktop. We can even use the app if you are on Android or iOS, it's totally fine. Just pick the method or basically feel free to use delivery profiles on Etsy. So that's it basically. We're gonna go through the shop manager by accessing Etsy.com. Come here, then log in. Come here to shop manager again, then tap on settings, shipping settings, then add a shipping profile. Set your processing time. After this, choose delivery services and estimated delivery range, then set shipping prices or enable calculated shipping, then tap on save. Now apply this profile to all of your listings. As for like a bonus tip, accurate delivery times reduce customer complaints, shorter processing times improve conversions, keep holidays shipping times updated as well, so you won't have any problem later on. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.